Establishing VNet Peering in Azure, a step-by-step guide. In this lab, you'll create a network peering connection between two Azure virtual networks, allowing seamless, low-latency communication between isolated networks. Here's a detailed breakdown of the process. Step 1, navigate to Virtual Network. 1. Log into the Azure portal. 2. On the home screen, navigate to the Virtual Network section. 3. View the list of virtual networks in your Azure subscription. 4. Locate and click on VNet app, the virtual network to be peered with another network. Step 2. Access peering options. 1. On the VNet app overview page, select Peerings from the left-hand menu. 2. Click the Add button to begin configuring a new virtual network peering. Step 3. Configure peering. 1. Set peering link name. In the peering link name field, enter prod app, indicating the connection is between the production network and the application network. 2. Select the virtual network to peer. Click the virtual network dropdown. Select VNet prod from the list to establish the connection to the production network. Step 4. Configure reverse peering. 1. Set reverse peering link name. Enter app prod as the name for the reverse peering, which connects the application network back to the production network. Step 5. Review additional settings. 1. Scroll down to review the additional settings for the peering configuration. 2. Confirm that all details are correct. Step 6. Create the peering. 1. Click Add to initiate the peering process. 2. Azure will begin processing the connection between VNet app and VNet prod. Step 7. Verify the peering. 1. Once the peering process is complete, verify that the newly created peering appears under the peerings list for VNet app. 2. Confirm that the connection between the application and production networks is successfully established and ready for use. Summary. By completing these steps, you've successfully created a peering connection between VNet app and VNet prod. This enables secure, low-latency communication between the two networks, making resources accessible across both VNets without additional configurations.